Welcome back to Styleaholic for my must-have Amazon beauty items. All of the items that I speak about today will be left in links in the description. So no worries, I got you. A must-have item, L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eye Pencil is a must-have. This is the absolute best liner ever. Goes on so smooth, so thick. Another of my favorite items is the Wet n Wild MEGALINER Liquid Liner. Can I say this liner offers the most precise line? Absolutely love it. The next must-have item is the CNC Beauty Highlighter and Contour Stick. Contour and highlight. You know you have to achieve flawless contour if you want that face to be fabulous. Must have JUVIA'S Place Warm and Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. This is the perfect palette for brown skin girls. I absolutely love this palette. It is the perfect combination of neutrals and metallics. Absolutely amazing. As seen in my So You're New to Makeup or Makeup for Beginners video. Must have NEUTROGENA Makeup Remover Cleansing Facial Wipes. Must have Best Op 16-piece makeup brush set. And again, all of these items were used to achieve the look in my Are You New to Makeup and my Makeup for Beginners videos. And just like that, we went to fabulous.